Puma x Kidsuper Brasil Panels in dark crimson and Alpine Snow bring together Puma's football heritage and Kidsuper Studios' bold imagination, creating a sneaker that thrives on both style and performance. With premium suede overlays, breathable mesh, and a retro gum outsole, the shoe balances durability, comfort, and traction. Striking contrasts of deep crimson and Alpine Snow make the silhouette stand out, while embossed co-branding and artistic graphics transform it into a wearable piece of art. Designed for both the pitch and the streets, it's a creative reinvention of a classic model. By blending heritage with artistry, Puma and Kidsuper deliver more than just a sneaker, it's a statement of innovation, expression, and collaboration. This release proves that functionality and creativity can coexist, making the sneaker a true reflection of modern streetwear culture.